For our problem, a building for persons with disabilities is planning to elevate its ground floor 3.90 feet high to avoid problems with floods. To help the PWDs, a ramp is being installed that is 20 degrees from the ground to the porch. How long is the ramp? How far is the end of the ramp from the porch? For a problem like this, it's a good idea to go ahead and draw a picture of what have been given. So let's go ahead and draw that out. Here we have our building, our porch that is 3.90 feet high, and the ramp. Now we have laid out all the pieces. Let me help out in solving this problem. Now first, we've been told that a building is planning to elevate its ground floor 3.90 feet high to avoid problems with floods. And also, a ramp is being installed that is 20 degrees from the ground to the porch. Just like this. Great! Now we're told to find how long the ramp is and what's the distance of the ramp from the ground to the porch with only a given angle that is 20 degrees. It's created from the ground and the line from the ground to the porch is an angle of elevation. Now from this information, we're trying to figure out how long is the ramp. The length would be right here and the height of the porch will be the base. So let's say that side B is what we're trying to find. How do we do that? Well, look at what we made. We'd actually created a right triangle, and we know quite a bit about right triangles. If we look, we have this angle, the angle of elevation, and we also know the measurement of this side. We're looking for the measurement of this side, B, the length of the ramp. Well, if we have at least one angle measurement and at least one side measurement, we may be able to use our trigonometric ratios to help us find the length of those missing sides. Let's see if we come up with a trig ratio that would help. Now let's see again. We have this angle and the measurement of this side. This side sits next to adjacent to our angle, and we're trying to find the measurement of this side. That side sits across the opposite of our angle. It looks like the tangent ratio might be useful to us. Look at what we have. With this equation, we can solve for B and figure out what length is equal to. So let's go ahead and solve the equation for B. To do that, we need to get B by itself on one side of the equal sign. So we need to take B and move it to the other side. To do that, we need to perform cross multiplication. Right now, it's being multiplied. Over here, we get B tangent 20 degrees is equal to 3.90 feet. Now we divide tangent on both sides so that we get B by itself. Now we have B is equal to 3.90 feet divided by tangent 20 degrees. And approximate that with our calculator, we get approximately that B is equal to 10.7. Now we're working in feet, and this is the length of the ramp. So we need to put feet in our answer. Now that we have solved for the length of the ramp, we need to find the distance of our ramp from the ground to the porch. Now in doing this, we need to apply the Pythagorean theorem, which is equal to c squared equal to a squared plus b squared. Now, if we make the height of the porch as a and the length of the ramp as b, we will be able to find c, which is a hypotenuse, and we need to find that. Now we make it into c squared equal to 3.90 feet squared plus 10.7 feet squared, and that is equal to 129.7 feet. Because c has a square, we need to transpose the square, which would give the square root on the other side. Now we have c equals to the square root of 129.7 feet, and that gives us an answer of c equals to 11.4 feet. And therefore, the length of the ramp is 10.7 feet long, and the distance of the ramp from the ground to the porch is 11.4 feet. I hope you were able to understand the process of solving the angle of elevation. Thanks for listening!